It's May 30th, 2022. Let's start the update with the raspberry. Here's a bunch more flowers that had just opened. This one looks like it's forming some fruits already. And here are a bunch more flowers that are opening, and some more that's gonna open soon. Overall, there's a lot of flowers, and you can see some of them are already forming raspberry fruits. And here we have the pepper. Flowers are still slowly forming. Same with this one. That one looks like it's gonna open soon. And over here we have another pepper. Tomato is getting bigger, a lot bigger actually. Here's the first set of flowers. Broccolini, a lot of flowers. You can see they're ready to be harvested. Here is the sweet pea, lots of new growth. And here are the first few flowers. This one has opened. And here are the other flowers. This one looks like the pea is already forming. And over here is the wildflower pot. Lacy phacelia is getting bigger. Here are the California poppies. And here's that seedling with the white spots. Here's another one. And you can see there's quite a few different seedlings. We're gonna get some variety of flowers from all these seedlings. Here's the blueberry. The flowers have started to fade. Right here you can see the fruits are slowly forming now. Asparagus is getting super tall. Lots of flowers. You can see a lot of them are still gonna open. And the potato is getting really big. Right here it looks like it's gonna flower. Yeah, lots of potato growth. Here's the peony flowers. It's definitely opening now. You can see more of the pink petals. And here's the other flower. Rosemary, still not growing. Here's the lavender. Lots of flowers, still forming. We're gonna get a lot of lavender flowers. You can already see some of the purple petals from the buds. The sweetheart hoya is sending out a new growth. And this other hoya plant, the flowers I showed you last week are getting bigger, and they're gonna open soon. And on the other vine you can see some dead flower buds. These ones did not open. Pineapple still looks pretty much the same. The flowers are definitely faded. And here are the new plants. The basils doesn't look quite healthy. This purple basil especially, you can see it's looking a little droopy and some leaves are already falling. And here's the other basil. Looks a bit healthier. Some growth, I think. Here's the Thai basil. Some new growth as well. The mint is doing quite well. Lots of new growth. The thyme is also doing very well. Lots of new growth as well. And the nasturtium are sending out a lot of new growth. You can see the new leaves forming, same as this one. And here's the hydrangea. Flowers are still slowly forming, but you can definitely see they have started to open. I'm just gonna take a closer look at all the different clusters. As for the shooting star variety, looks like it's mostly just leaf growth. And this week I harvested this main stalk from the broccolini. The first harvest from the broccolini. And in the same week, I'm gonna harvest a few of these side stalks as well. So yeah, this is the second harvest from the broccolini from this week.